Back today, and today's subject's gonna be on a little bit something different. I know I like posting about cars and my go-kart and all car community stuff, but today we're focusing on bikes. So I recently purchased a bike for my wife, and it is too tall. She could reach everything, but she cannot fully touch the floor because this bar right here is in the way. So what I'm gonna end up doing is using this one. Now we have other two frames. The only reason we have those is because when I went to go buy this one, the guy's like, you want these for free? And I just said, why not? So what we're gonna do is take this one all apart, get rid of all the stuff we don't need, and hop on grabbing everything else from here to there. But we're gonna fully restore this. We're gonna take everything apart, grease everything up, oil everything up, paint it. We're gonna paint it a different color. It's all scratched up, you know. I bought paint, so we're gonna have a good paint job on this one. This one is a Schwinn. It's an old Schwinn. I guess it's called like the Schwinn Traveler. So we're gonna be using a Schwinn Traveler frame and taking all the stuff from this one onto here. This one's my Fixie. I still have to paint my front wheel. It's like red and blue, but we don't need to do that right now. So for today, all we're gonna do is we're gonna swap everything onto here, paint up the bike, restore it, change everything. So we have a lot to do, so let's get going. Alright fam, so I had a little problem, man, but I got it out of it. This motherfucker was rusted and stuck up in there, so I had to do it off camera so my battery won't die. But looks like I did a good job. It's already off and back to the other one. Look at all this nasty. Yeah, we won't be needing these forks because these forks on the new wheel, they don't fit, so we're gonna be using those forks. And back to the original program. Let's go. So I took the bike down and I sanded it as best as I could. I took everything off. So next thing is I cleaned it with acetone, like, cause I could sand it all the way, which I kind of just did the major dents. Alright fam, so I already went ahead and finished this. Let me go ahead and park it. Well, I didn't finish it, I still have to finish it off. So I went and finished some of it. Almost done. I just got to install the brakes. Came out good the way I wanted it to come out. Have no problems. Painted it pretty cool. Just swapped everything over from that blue frame. All I got to do now is just install the brakes and order some new bike grips because I ruined the ones that were on there. So it is running, it is working pretty good. I just, you know, test drove it around the block. So we're good to go. All we got to do now is just install the brakes and that's it. Honestly, on this, I think I only spent like 120 bucks. See, I spent $100 on that bike. After that, I spent 25 on this old Schwinn freaking traveler bike, which is a women's bike, I believe, because it has that drop piece right here. So that's why I believe it's a women's bike. But besides that, I didn't spend no money, none of that. All the tires were aired up. It was pretty good. Like I said, it came out pretty good. I don't know what you guys think. Everything came out good. The only thing I got to do now is just put the brakes on and we have ourselves Fixie. Well, the reason why I did this is because my wife is short, so she can't stand when the bike is you know when we're riding. She can't stand right there, so I had to buy this one where this piece right here drops bar. I don't know what's it called. It drops, I can't even talk, where this piece drops down, so I don't know what that's called, but I do know this is a Schwinn Traveler women's bike. Well, it was a Traveler, now it's a Fixie. So yeah, like I said, that's pretty much it. Let me just go ahead and install the brakes, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. I'm probably gonna do riding videos, so go ahead and let me know if you guys want me to make some videos when I'm, you know, going out riding in the city. So like I said, you guys have a good one. Peace out, and make sure you subscribe.